Hi, I'm Rich Torrey. Welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. All you ever need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Okay, so after taking last week off, this week, in honor of the upcoming Chinese New Year, ushering in the Year of the Tiger, we're drawing tigers. We started off by drawing the rambunctious one, Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. Today we're drawing a very different tiger, Shere Khan from Disney's Jungle Book. He's sort of the opposite of Tigger, comporting himself with elegance and dignity, which helps to conceal a hidden hair-trigger temper and ferociousness. He's also more realistically drawn than Tigger. Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson, okay? So let's draw Shere Khan from Jungle Book. We're going to draw Shere Khan step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw him again and again. If you've watched my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this drawing, Shere Khan is 2 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is 2 of those. He's also 3 of those heads wide, which also is helpful in mapping him out. Okay, so let's start with that roadmap for Shere Khan from Jungle Book. So there's our roadmap for Shere Khan. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you know where to put Shere Khan's eyes, his nose, his muzzle and mouth, and some of the other things. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. All right, so let's rough out Shere Khan's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for Shere Khan. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw in the final details of Shere Khan. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in those details for Shere Khan. Alrighty, there he is, the ferocious, formidable Shere Khan from Disney's Jungle Book. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn Shere Khan or any tiger before, you cannot expect to have drawn him perfectly. You notice I don't spend time coloring Shere Khan during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Shere Khan. And with that, you can draw him again and again. By all means, color him when you're done. I promise each time you draw him, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your drawing of Shere Khan. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag levelupcartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.